Nice. There you go, Mike.
Mike.
You're okay, Mike. You're okay. Good. Pass the side. Get back the leg. Good, Mike. Through.
Body shots. Get him, Mike. Let him up.
There you go.
Come on, Mike. Get him. Work him, Mike.
No, Mike, don't do that. Let the hands go. Start throwing some punches. You got to posture up and throw some punches. Posture up. Punches.
Done, Mike. Come on.
Here we go.
Keep getting him. Go, Mike. Yeah. Yeah, right, baby. Right, baby. That's all we do.
Sorry, it's like
Just like last time. Yeah. Talk shit. Winded. Use those guys.
I'm not doing a good job videotaping. Doing videotaping.
I know, that's why I'm doing this. The last time. Come on, Mike. Finish it up. But do I need to remind you of the whole thing? Use some legs, Mike. Come on, get him up, Mike.
Head in the center.
Yeah.
Head in the center. Good stuff, he sits back. Pull that back. Good. Take it back, take it back. Take it back, take it back.
Good job, Mike. Good job, Mike.
Watch your neck. Watch your neck.
Woo!
Go grab the face. Right,
Watch that on. Okay, here we go.
Body shot. Keep going, Mike. Got it, Mike. Come on, baby.
Yeah. Good job, Mike.
Got it, Mike.
There you go, Mike. Good job.
Get them shots. Get them body shots.
Try to squeeze there, Randy. Underhook with that left arm.
Back to the body.
Don't let go of his legs, Randy.
Come on, finish it up. Finish it up. Finish it up.
Nice.
Woo! Yeah. That. I can't. I want to keep it steady. Woo! Yeah, Mike! Yeah, Mike! Woo! Woo! That's right, Mike! Alright, can I shut it off?
No,
Yeah?